Myself Dr. Ashish Chandak and you are watching channel Quick Engineering. The topic of today's video is manual testing and automation testing. So in this video we will see what is manual testing and automation testing. By the way, all of you know what is manual testing. Manual testing is done by human and automation testing is done by tool. But in this video we will see the difference in detail. So let us start. So manual testing is done by human tester. It is the involvement of human. By in automation testing, it is done by automation tool. So example is Selenium. Selenium is most popular or web-based automation tool. So it is time consuming. Manual testing is little bit time consuming because there is it completely depend on human. While automation testing is very fast. Once you provided set of instruction to the tool, then the tool will execute the instruction. So in automation testing, programming knowledge is also required because if you want if you want to use the tool, you have to provide the set of instruction. That set of instruction is provided through script. So for manual automation testing, the knowledge of programming is required, while in manual testing, the programming knowledge is not required. So random testing is possible in manual testing since it is up to the human. Human can do anything. So random testing is possible in case of manual testing, but once you provided set of instruction to automation tool, random testing is not possible. But the instruction will be executed one by one. So that's why in automation testing, random testing is not at all possible. Then return of investment. Return on investment is low on longer run. So since you have to invest, you have to bring more number of people, return on investment is low. But once you set the environment for automation testing, once you set the automation tool, that can be used a number of times. So return on investment is always high in case of automation testing. So since there is involvement of human, so manual testing is less accurate, while automation testing is more accurate. And last point is performance testing is not possible. Performance testing means what? If you want to measure the performance of application, let us say how much load it can handle, how much stress it can handle. If there is sudden spike, then how the application handle the sudden spike. So that is not at all possible in manual testing, but all the performance testing is possible in case of automation testing. So this is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.